Are you eating healthy, exercising and seeing little to no results when it comes to your weight loss? You might be fighting an internal battle you don't even know about: hormone imbalances. In today's video, we're diving deep into 3 hormones that could be standing between you and your dream body. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what's causing your weight loss resistance and how to fix it. When it comes to weight loss, most of us focus on diet and exercise. And while these are critical, there's another factor that could be sabotaging your efforts: hormones. Hormones are the chemical messengers that control nearly every function in your body, including metabolism, fat storage and hunger. If your hormones are out of balance, it can make losing weight feel nearly impossible. So let's talk about 3 hormones in particular that can be causing problems and what you can do about them. The first hormone we need to talk about is cortisol, also known as the stress hormone. Cortisol is produced by your adrenal glands in response to stress. In small amounts, it's useful. It helps you respond to short bursts of stress. But when cortisol levels stay too high, it can lead to several problems, especially with weight loss. Chronic high cortisol levels can trigger fat storage, particularly in the belly area. If you're under constant stress, whether from work, family or life in general, your cortisol may be elevated, and this could be stopping you from shedding those extra pounds. Next up is estrogen, the female hormone that plays a huge role in weight loss, especially for women over 40. As you approach menopause, estrogen levels begin to decline, and this can lead to several changes in your body. One of the most common effects is an increase in belly fat. Estrogen also helps regulate your metabolism, and when it dips down, it can cause your metabolism to slow down. This means your body starts to burn fewer calories at rest, making weight loss more difficult. Estrogen imbalances are a common culprit for women struggling with weight gain, especially in their midsection. Now let's talk about insulin. Insulin is a hormone that helps your body process and store sugar from food you eat. When you eat a meal high in refined carbs or sugar, your body releases insulin to help regulate your blood sugar levels. But if you're constantly eating foods that cause insulin spikes, your body can become resistant to insulin over time. This is known as insulin resistance, and it can lead to weight gain, especially around your abdominal area. Insulin resistance is a big contributor to weight loss resistance and can make it much harder to lose fat, even if you're eating well and exercising regularly. Now that we know what's causing your weight loss resistance, let's talk about how to fix it. The good news is you can reset your hormones and start losing weight again. Here are a few strategies to help you get your hormones back on track. Number 1, manage stress. Incorporate stress-reducing activities like yoga, meditation, deep breathing, or just taking short breaks during the day to reset your mind. Reducing cortisol levels is key to weight loss. And number 2, eat hormone-balanced foods. Focus on eating whole nutrient-dense foods that support hormone health. This includes healthy fats like avocado, olive oil, protein-rich foods and plenty of vegetables. Avoid processed sugars and refined carbs that can cause insulin spikes. Number 3, exercise smartly. Both strength training and cardio are important for hormone balance. Strength training helps build muscle, which can improve insulin sensitivity, and regular cardio helps keep cortisol levels in check. Number 4, get enough sleep. Poor sleep can cause an imbalance in cortisol and insulin. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night to help your body reset its hormones. If you're struggling with weight loss despite eating healthy and working out, it might be time to take a look at your hormones. By focusing on stress management, eating hormone-friendly foods, exercising smartly and getting better sleep, you can start to reset your hormones and get your metabolism back on track. If you're ready to take control of your weight loss journey during menopause and want more tips, I've created a free menopause weight loss guide that's packed with strategies to help you reset your hormones and start losing weight. You can download it for free by clicking the link in the description below. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, I think you'll also like this video next.